Hi guys, today I've got the Honeygain app, which is you can see here. I haven't made any withdrawal from very long time. You can see here my previous withdrawal date 16 April 2023. So that means it's almost 1.5 years now. And also some of you commented in my previous video that it's not working. No, it's not working in India from the human 3381. Also from Sri Lanka, it's not work. So I'm not sure guys if it is still working or not. So without further delay, let's jump into the withdrawal section and we'll do the withdrawal as soon as possible. Stay with me until the end of this video to find out the result. Let's go to the home page. You can see here request payout. So let's click there. Now you can see here two options, PayPal and Jump Tax. Jump Tax is free, but I haven't got Jump Tax account, so I'll do the PayPal as previous withdrawal. So let's select the PayPal. Continue. Request payout. It is asking for the 6-digit code sent to my email address. Let's log into the email. Yeah, I've got the verification code in my email. Let's copy this verification code. Go back to Honeygain page and paste verification code. Your $91.70 is on its way. Let's click OK. Transaction history, you can see here processing. So I will wait for the 48 hours and I'll produce the result. So guys, I have received payment from Honeygain after 7 days. I also got the email from Honeygain team saying that payment of USD 89.68 sent to your PayPal account. Now I will show you my PayPal account. PayPal balance from Honeygain $68.10. So guys, Honeygain is still working. However, in some other countries like India, Pakistan, it is not working as per my previous videos comments. So that's all for now guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks all for watching guys. I'll see you in the next one.